quick question. Do you want to know which of these dispute letters you should send out? Like which order of these dispute letters you should send out? Well, I know you are tired, sick and tired of trying to send out the right dispute letter. You send out the wrong dispute letter and you're still not getting the results that you want, right? And you've probably watched so many videos on sending out dispute letters and gurus saying you should send out this dispute letter and that dispute letter, and yet you still are not getting the results that you need. Well, my name is Mark Claiborne, and I am the best-selling author of the #1 credit repair book in the country, Hidden Credit Repair Secrets, and the founder of Client Dispute Manager Software, which is a business software that focuses on disputing and helping you run your business. So I've seen thousands of companies use various dispute letters. And in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on which 3 letters in the order you should send them, whether you're working on your own credit or you're helping someone else send dispute letters out, or you sending dispute letters out on behalf of someone else. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to log into the Client Dispute Manager software. Now, this is the software where we send out all of our dispute rounds. Again, you can use it for yourself or you can use it for someone else. But I'm going to show you the 3 steps that we follow when we first send out the first dispute letter, dispute round. All right, so let me show you what I'm talking about. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go here. I'm already in the software. So the first steps of what I'm going to do is go here to Dispute Manager. And then I'm going to go to the credit bureau screen, which is right here. And as you can see, we already have our furnisher here, which is Chase. So the first letter we're going to send to the credit bureaus if we find inaccurate information on our credit report or your customer's credit report, the first letter you're going to send is the dispute flow initial dispute. So I'm going to click that and I'm going to click on preview dispute letter. All right, so this is going to be a first letter right here. And basically it's a generic letter, and you're going to send this letter out to the credit bureaus whenever you find inaccurate information on your credit report. Now, this is the first letter that you will send out to the credit bureaus, right? So you want to analyze your credit report and you want to look for inaccurate information on your credit report. And when you find that inaccurate information, you want to send the initial letter to the credit bureau. Let me show it to you again. The initial letter to the credit bureau. Dear credit bureau, I want to edit this letter. I hope your day is doing well, but I need your help. I noticed the following issues with these accounts on my credit report. Now, again, like I said, you don't have to go in all this detail because the credit bureaus don't care, but a lot of people get confused when they're trying to determine which letter they should send out to the credit bureau. So the first letter you should send out is the initial dispute letter, which you're disputing inaccurate information on your credit report. So let's go ahead and let's see what the next letter you should send when the credit bureau send you updates back in the mail, or send updates back for your customer in the mail. And now, what is the next letter? What is round 2? What letter do I send next in round 2? Let me show you which letter that is. So say, for example, you get a response back from the credit bureau, and now you want to go back and send the second letter. So we're going to go right here to initial, and then we're going to go to how did you verify this account letter. So let's click that. Let's click on preview. Now, this is the second letter that you want to send to the credit bureaus when they verify the account. Now, say, for example, the credit bureaus verify the account and they say that we have verified this account. Now, in this letter, what you're doing is you're asking the credit bureaus, how did you verify this account? Now, you said you verified the account, but can you explain to me how? Can you send me a summary of information on what you did to verify the account? So that would be the second type of letter that you would send to the credit bureau whenever they send you an updated letter back stating that they verified the account. So you have every right to ask them how, right? And during this letter, you also want to repeat your dispute reason if they haven't deleted it, because if you truly feel in your heart that the account is inaccurate, then you want to ask the credit bureau, how did they verify this account? All right, so the next thing I want to show you is that was round 2. So say, for example, the credit bureau responds back to you, and now say they respond back to you, and now they send you another letter and they say, okay, this is how we verify the account, and they don't even like reinvestigate your dispute, the initial dispute you sent. So now what we want to do is we want to send the third letter. Again, which dispute letters should we send out first, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So we're going to send the third letter. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back here and we're going to go to other credit bureaus deleted it. Let's click that and let's preview the dispute letter. All right, so this is what the third letter would look like if you were sending it out to the credit bureaus, okay? Now in this letter right here, this letter basically is telling the credit bureaus, are you sure? Because this account is inaccurate, but why is it that Experian and TransUnion deleted it, but you did not? So there's a problem there, and I'm asking you to follow the law and delete this inaccurate item. I mean, what is the difference between you and Experian and TransUnion? I mean, they deleted it, they investigated it just like you did. So what would be the difference? So in this third round of letters, you would send it out to whichever credit bureau who still has the negative item or the inaccurate item on your credit report. All right, so like I said before, I have a free gift for you. I have a special gift for you just for watching this video today. Now, what I want to do is I want to give you a free 30-day training, a free 30-day training course, right, on how to start your own dispute business. I want to give you a free 30-day step-by-step training course on how to start and run your own dispute business so you can start helping other people improve their credit score. If you worked on your own and you were successful and you're ready to make an extra stream of income, then I want to give you this free 30-day course, right? And not only that, I also want to give you a step-by-step checklist in order to get started. And I also want to give you a free guide on how to get your first customer. So let me show you exactly what you're going to get. Once you click the link below, what you're going to do is you're going to be taken to this page right here. And on this page, you just simply enter your email address, your first name, your last name, and your phone. And then after you hit this page here, you're going to be taken to the second page, which is a thank you page. Now, in order to get your free training on how to start your own dispute business, in order to get your free training, what you're going to have to do is go to your email and then go to your email, and then you're going to have to look for a confirmation. Now, when you look for a confirmation, you want to click confirm. Now, once you click confirm, you're going to be taken to this page right here. It's the thank you page that you will be taken to. Now, here on this page, you will be able to download your free checklist and also your free guide on how to get your first customer. And from there, every single day for the next 30 days, you will receive a free training course, a video course on how to start your own business, helping consumers improve their credit score. I'll see you on the other side.